Hi guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to request for video remover in your YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing to do is that you simply need to log in into your YouTube channel. Once you're there, you click on what? Copyright. After which, you are going to see the various copyright video that people have actually taken your video without your permission. So if you want to remove any of them, you simply click on the video you want to remove, after which you are going to see request for video remover. So guys, once you're here, you simply need to insert your legit name, the telephone number, and your second email address. So guys, we'll start by inserting our legit name. Once you are done inserting your legit name or your channel name, after that you insert your telephone number. After that, you can insert your secondary email address. So but if you don't have a secondary email address, you just need to leave it like that. Once you're done with that, we are going to scroll down and you simply need to give the relationship to this copyright content. So it's actually my video, so I'm going to insert this is my video, or you can say, or the owner of this video. Once you are done with that, you simply need to insert your country. After that, insert your address and your city. After that, you simply need to insert your province and your zip code, as you can see. So already did that. After that, you simply scroll down. Here now, you can simply request that YouTube to remove the video in 7 days. That is, it's going to send the channel which actually take your video in notification. But if the person does not remove it during 7 days, it will automatically be removed by YouTube. But guys, I want it to be instant because I've actually been writing the channel for some days now. The guy have not been answering me, so I'll simply click on what? Instant. After that, I'll scroll down. So you make sure you read this information, but I already read them, so no need again. I'm going to click on it, click on it, click on it. So now here, your signature, you simply need to insert your legit name, not your channel name, your legit name. So I'll insert my name. So after inserting your name, you click on what? Submit. So guys, we have actually request for that video should be removed, so we are going to verify. So this is it, it's actually in process. So once the removal is complete, you are going to see this yellow icon that's active. That is, the removal will successfully be deleted from that user's account, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.